Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished your Wix website had a convenient search bar to help visitors find exactly what they're looking for, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to adding a fully functional search bar to your Wix site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a polished site search that makes navigation a breeze for your users, and even better, it's much simpler than you might think. So let's dive straight in and get your search bar up and running. First, the very first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Wix website design. So if you're not already there, open up the Wix editor for your site. This is where all the magic happens. The Wix editor is your workspace, where you can drag, drop, and design exactly how you want your site to look and function. If you've never used the editor before, don't worry. It's super intuitive, and I'll guide you every step of the way. Once you're in your site's design, go ahead and add a new section right at the top of your homepage, or whichever page you'd like the search bar to appear on. Placing the search functionality at the top is a great idea, because it's one of the first things visitors will see and use, especially if your site has a lot of content or products. To add a section, just hover your mouse above your existing header or content, and you'll see an option to add section. Click that and choose a simple layout, since our focus here is the search feature itself. Take your time arranging it so that everything feels balanced and welcoming. Next, this little tip will save you a ton of time. Look for the small search icon or even the search bar right below the blue Publish button in the Wix editor. This isn't the site search we're adding for visitors. This is an editor search to help you find features quickly within Wix. Click there and then type search into the box that pops up. Wix will instantly show you all the search-related options you can add to your website, saving you from digging through countless menus. You'll notice something called Wix Site Search pop up in your results. That's exactly what we want. Click on Wix Site Search to open up its details. This feature is a powerful tool. It doesn't just search basic text, but scans across your pages, blog posts, products, and other content, depending on your site setup. Think of it as your site's own mini Google, super handy for your visitors, especially as your website grows. Now, once you've opened Wix Site Search, you'll see an option to add to site. Go ahead and click that button. Wix will now begin the process of embedding their search tool into your site. This might take a few moments, so don't worry if things pause for a bit or your screen flickers, just let it do its thing. You'll see the search elements loading onto your page, usually a search bar, a results display, and sometimes a button, depending on your theme and style. And just like that, you're done. The search bar will appear right where you place the new section. You can drag it around, resize it, or customize the look so it matches your site's aesthetic. If you want to test it, just hit Preview at the top of the Wix editor, type in a keyword, and watch as your site instantly serves up matching results. That's all there is to it. You've just made your website way more user-friendly, and your visitors will thank you for it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Got any questions or run into any issues along the way? Drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And for more easy-to-follow tutorials to make your website shine, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy building.